We have a growing appreciation for the importance of resistance training during pregnancy. While most original studies were really based on walking or maybe going for a swim, data is now suggesting that if you continue to strength train or resistance train during your pregnancy, that you can help to prepare yourself for post-delivery. We know that you're going to come out on the other side with a baby that you're going to have to carry with a very heavy car seat. And so actually preparing for your activities of daily living as a new mom is going to be really important, and resistance training is a key component of that. Pregnancy can be a really wonderful time in a person's life. It can also be a period where they have increased anxiety or stress and potentially even depressive symptoms. But the data is now suggesting that being physically active during pregnancy can help with both your physical and your mental health. And so it's a really good idea to consider pregnancy and exercise during pregnancy as an opportunity, not a time of restriction. The important thing to remember with physical activity and exercise during pregnancy, there are going to be days that you may feel unwell, overtired, and maybe even sick. On those days, listen to your body, take it back a notch, take the time to recover. But the important thing is returning to physical activity and exercise when you feel able. During pregnancy, it's really important and helpful to gain a recommended amount of weight during your pregnancy. And there's guidelines based on your pre-pregnancy body weight in terms of how much is recommended for your individual circumstance. However, we know that weight is gained over 9 months of pregnancy, and so typically the weight will take at least that long to come off in the postpartum period. Now, our data suggests that physical activity can play an important role, but it's probably not the most important aspect of helping to reduce weight in the postpartum period. Focusing on a combination of increasing your physical activity, but also focusing on a healthful diet can be important to help you get back to your pre-pregnancy weight. During pregnancy, your breast size and volume is going to increase. In the postpartum period, especially if you're breastfeeding, breast size will change before and after feedings. So it's really important that you have a appropriately fitted but also supportive sports bra during both pregnancy and in the postpartum period. Now, when we talk about exercise, having those appropriate supportive breast or sports bra is really important. But for many women, if you are breastfeeding, we do recommend either expressing the milk or feeding before you go out and exercise. This can help to improve comfort overall. The other thing to think about is that the sports bra should be supportive, but you don't want to restrict your breasts. There is data out there that suggests that if you are wearing a restrictive bra, that it can actually help to reduce your breast milk supply.